I know what you're saying. It's been a while since you've seen a video about peeling an orange with a weird plastic printed part. And I am sorry about that. I'll try to do better. So this is the current design. Now, I currently am kind of obsessed with this idea that I might be able to unscrew part of the orange. And so this was this is one of the prints I did. As you can see, I've already tried this a few times. And this one has tiny little cutting surfaces that are, frankly, just a little bit too, I think they might be a little bit too small. So today's orange peeler is pretty simple. We're going to take the existing design that looked kind of like this, and we're going to change it up just a little bit, make some parts of it thicker, and move the cutting edge a little farther out. And we'll see how that affects things. So let's do that now. And what we're doing here is basically just selecting these parts and rotating them around. And I think that should be good. Let's print that and see what it looks like. I printed this one after that, thinking I would make the cutting surfaces taller, but the problem with that is that they actually are way too tall, and they cut straight into the orange itself, and that's not what we want. So we're going to use this one and see how this does. I'm going to start here on the side and just turn it. And again, part of the point of this is to find a way to unpeel an orange, or to peel an orange, in a way that requires very little effort. Time is fine, but effort not so much. All right, so this is working just fine. It's very easy to do that. And I'm going to turn it just a little bit and do it again. And so I'm holding the orange at the top and the bottom, and just turn that a few times. And I'm just going to go around the orange. I'm not overlapping exactly. I actually said that right as I overlapped that part. There we go. Okay, going to do one more over here. And I was thinking I would not overlap them, but it looks like I might end up having to do that anyway. Okay. And then this one final one here overlaps two of them. So. Okay, I'm a big liar. So there we go. And then I'm also going to do the top and the bottom, same way. Very easy to turn that. And the top like this, or the bottom like this. And I'm assuming that the top of the orange is where the stem would be, and the bottom is the, whatever that is. Okay. So now I can use one of the edges. Now, I'm not a big fan of the way these edges work, because they actually kind of are, they kind of cut in a little bit too much. But as you can see, that pops right off there. Perfect little circle there. Like that. Another perfect circle. Look at that. Look at that. Another. Here we go. Whoop. Almost had a problem there. Another perfect circle, nearly. Close enough. One more. Oh, we got a few more. Okay. There we go. All right, making some progress here. Okay, so that's worked pretty well. Now we're going to try the bottom here. This part never comes out, because it's actually, you know, once you cut the orange open, you can see that it's got more of the actual orange stuck on it than the rest of the peel. Oh, hell! What the heck? That actually worked. Oh my God, this one is working really well. Okay, so that just peels right off. What do you know? That's a pretty good deal. Okay, so this one actually worked really well. Really well. Look at that. Well, my biggest complaint on this one is I don't like the way these the edges stick out like this on the sides. This other one that I printed, I had it go back in on the sides, and so we're gonna use that a little bit. That doesn't cut into my fingers as much, so that's good. And that's working just fine. Okay, and that peeled right out. Holy cow. Okay, so this design is not too shabby. I think I want to try another one where the blades are a little farther out and a little taller like they are on this one, but farther out, so they're closer out here to the edge. And I'm going to see how that does, but that'll be tomorrow's video. So this worked really well. As usual, if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I will try printing out anything you guys suggest. Thanks, and I will see you tomorrow.